Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Monopoly profit maximization is complex. Let's identify which specific events will definitely increase Prosper Company's total economic profit. Profit is the difference between total revenue and total cost. To increase profit, we either need to boost the money coming in or lower the cost of producing these toy cubes. An increase in demand shifts the demand curve right, allowing the monopoly to charge higher prices and sell more units. This definitely increases the total revenue for the Prosper Company. Government subsidies lower expenses. When revenue increases and costs decrease, profit must rise. This makes option D correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given info and check your steps.